Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of language on the application of Authenticator. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you can click on apps and you can search about Authenticator app and you will enter. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.